Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a 9-to-5 job with no way out? Tired of watching others grow on YouTube while you're still figuring out where to start? Or maybe you've always wanted to create content, but hate being on camera? If that sounds even remotely like you, then this video might be the one that finally changes things. Because today, I'm going to show you how regular people, without showing their face, without fancy equipment, and without prior experience, are building profitable YouTube channels using AI avatars. And guess what? I'm not just going to tell you what's possible. I'm going to teach you how to do it step by step, exactly the same way I teach inside my AI Faceless Academy. Let's dive in. 6 parts. Part 1. What is a faceless YouTube channel? Part 2. How AI is changing the game. Part 3. How I turned AI avatars into an online business. Part 4. Can you really make money with this? Part 5. Why most people fail. Part 6. Your step-by-step roadmap to start. Let's move to Part 1. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. A channel where you never show your face on camera. Instead, the content is built using voiceovers, stock footage, AI avatars, on-screen text, visuals, animations, and scripts. These types of channels are exploding right now because they can be created anonymously. They cost much less to start. They can be automated with tools. They're perfect for people who are shy or value privacy. Part 2. How AI is changing the game. You no longer need a camera, a mic, or even a real human face. With tools like Synthesia, HeyGen, or DID, you can generate realistic AI avatars. 11 Labs. You can clone voices or generate high-quality narration ChatGPT. You can generate full scripts in seconds, Pictory or in video. You can create videos from just text. You can go from idea to video in under 1 hour. Yes, it's real, but the big problem? Most people don't know what tools to use, how to use them properly, or how to make content that actually gets views. Part 3. How I turned AI avatars into an online business. Let me be real with you. When I started, I was overwhelmed. I had no idea which tools worked and which were just hype. I wasted weeks trying things that didn't work. That's why I created the AI Faceless Academy, to help people like you skip the trial and error. Inside the Academy, I teach how to choose a profitable niche, how to script and automate faceless content, how to use AI avatars to bring your videos to life, how to grow your channel organically, and yes, how to turn it into a passive income machine. If you're serious about learning this step-by-step, visit www.aifacelessacademy.com or simply click the link in the description. You'll get access to in-depth training, resources, and mentorship. Part 4. Can you really make money with this? Short answer, yes. Long answer, it depends on how smartly you do it. Monetization options include YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, collecting leads for email marketing, selling your own courses. I've seen faceless channels making $1,000 to $10,000 a month with just a few videos a week, but only if the content is high quality and consistent. Part 5. Why most people fail. Here's the harsh truth. Most people quit after uploading 3 to 4 videos. Most people don't do niche research. Most people don't optimize titles, tags, thumbnails, and worst, most use AI wrong. AI is powerful, but only when used with the right strategy. That's what separates winners from watchers. And again, that's exactly what I help you master inside AI Faceless Academy. Part 6. Your step-by-step roadmap to start. Let me quickly give you a roadmap to start. Pick a niche: education, motivation, finance, stories, health, etc. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Keep it short and engaging. Use 11 Labs or Murph AI for voiceover. Generate video using Pictory, InVideo, or Canva. Video editor optional. Use AI avatar from Synthesia/HeyGen for personalization. Upload on YouTube with SEO-optimized titles, tags, and thumbnails. Repeat consistently. 3 to 5 videos per week minimum. That's it. You now have a YouTube business, no camera, no mic, no excuses. Listen, you can keep scrolling. You can keep watching others win. Or you can finally take action and learn how to build your own AI-powered faceless YouTube channel, just like the students in my academy are doing right now. If you're ready to stop watching and start creating, visit www.aifacelessacademy.com or click the first link in the description. Join hundreds of learners who are transforming their lives, one faceless video at a time. Let's make it happen. Don't wait. Start now.